Hi guys, it's Laura and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I decorate my small studio and how I make it seem more like a studio even though it is just my bedroom. First, let's start with my desk, and it is going to be pretty much the same, but of course cleaner, because I like to keep the stuff that I keep right now here, and that is basically not going to change, but I'm going to show you how to add more studio appropriated stuff in your space so you can make it more studio-like. My best suggestion for decorating your space into small studio would be to actually surround it a lot with some kind of artistic stuff. For example, I have my books here because I love the cover pages of them and they inspire me. I have flowers, I also have bookmarks which have beautiful art, so I basically surround myself with art as much as I can. But honestly, try to focus more on stuff that you drew and that you created instead of someone else's art. Even though someone else's art can be a huge inspiration, try using your own. I had my previous bullet journal set up here on the table. That's why I have this Alice in a Wonderland kind of theme on my table. But as you can see, I am cleaning this up so that it can be nice and ready for the rest of the project. I somehow believe that if you have a really creative, artistic and beautiful kind of table setup in your own style, I think that you're going to be more inspired and that is going to help you creating more. This room and basically this whole entire studio of mine is located in my rental apartment, and that's why I cannot decorate it in a way that I would want to. But then again, if I had it in my own bedroom, which I'm going to be having in a couple of months, then I can add like maybe some art and stuff on the walls so that I can add frames, and that would also make me more inspired. What I'm doing right now is basically redecorating and cleaning my space for my washi tapes. If you're interested in the washi tapes, I have a special video put on the YouTube so you can check it out. After the washi tapes, we can basically continue cleaning, and I have this wooden box where I keep the rest of my stationery that I basically don't even know where to put. now we basically have this whole drawer cleaned up, and it's pretty ready for our supplies that are very much related to our art shop. First, I'm actually showing you what is left in this box. As you can see, it is full of stickers and also my thermal printer and stuff like that. I would suggest you find a special place in your studio where you would keep your papers and stuff that you need for printing out your items. And also keep in mind to actually save some space for your products, aka your finished stickers, for example, or whatever it is that you're selling. I wish I had more opportunity to experiment with my studio in this apartment, but I'm definitely going to give you another video when I actually move back to my house, and then I'm going to be having my studio in my room. But until then, we are setting it up the way we are setting it up, and I actually really like the result. And now with the printer that I'm having, all those paper and my own stickers, I really feel like I'm a shop owner. And now that we've cleaned this shelf, it is actually time to set it up. I am still leaving this pretty ugly box. It is actually a cosmetics bag, but for now it is my stationery kind of bag, and I'm actually also keeping the stationery that I don't really use here. You can see also some of my BTS cards and stuff like that. Next, we have some sticker sheets that are not mine, but I have them here because I have nowhere else to put them, and some washi tape samples that I didn't use and I don't want to throw them. Then another planner that I already used, so it's here, and we're organizing everything the way it makes sense. And now the most fun part on this shelf is basically that I put those paper for printer here, and also my sticker sheets and the finished stickers. It is not the most professional look, it is very modest, but it is mine and I really like my stickers. I hope you do too. And this sheet that you see right now, the spring kind of stickers with animals, are actually available on my shop. And yeah, this is basically it from this video and this whole setup. Now let's actually check out the before and after. Now here is how I managed to set everything up. I really hope that you like this kind of video, and make sure to like it and hit the subscribe button, and we're gonna see each other very soon, guys. Bye!